Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the GPU quickly and reliably. First, open Settings then System and about to note the GPU name. This tells you which model to research. Once done, press Windows plus R, type dxdiag, and run the DirectX diagnostic tool to reveal display device memory lines for an immediate number. Finally, open Task Manager and go to Performance. Select GPU. That gives you current dedicated GPU memory and shared system memory live, so you know what's allocated now. Next, you dive deeper to confirm exact VRAM details. Open the Vendor Control Panel, NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD Radeon Settings, or Intel Graphics Command Center to read the reported dedicated GPU memory. Once done, run GPU-Z or HYNFO. These utilities display VRAM size, type, GDDR6, HBM, clock speeds, and bus width, which explain performance differences. Make sure to check your driver version too, because outdated drivers sometimes misreport memory. Update drivers, and finally, you verify and test to be certain the VRAM is usable. Cross-check the values you found in the OS, Vendor Control Panel, and third-party utilities. Consistent numbers mean accuracy. Once confirmed, run a lightweight benchmark or GPU memory test to ensure the card uses that memory under load and to observe available memory in practical terms. If numbers mismatch or performance is wrong, reinstall drivers, reseat the card, and inspect BIOS or integrated GPU settings. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves reporting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.